Welcome to Roka Man Creative. Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go down below and subscribe. Please help me and share my videos. Thank you. Yeah, this is an inverter. So we are going to show you how the thing is working and the principle. But if you want to see more on this, please subscribe to my channel and share. Okay. Now, this is our transformer. As you can see here, this is 170 volts, which is this cable here. Look at it here. This is 195 volts, which is the blue. This is 220 volts, and the red is 250 volts. So I connected the one that is 0, which is the black, and our 220 volts to our bulb. So as you can see, these are oscillating circuits. These are oscillating circuits. These are amplify circuits. These also amplify it to the transformer. So now, these are 12 volt battery. Look at it here. Our 12 volt battery, 5 amps. So let's read it to know how many voltage we are having here. Okay, 12 volts. 12 volts. Do you see it? 12 volts. 12.89 volts. So this one is coming from the transformer. This is coming from the transformer. This one is coming from the amplification. Here is our oscillator. So this is our positive cable from the transformer. This is our positive cable from our oscillator. So we join the positive together. This is our negative cable from our amplification, and this is the negative cable from our oscillator. We join it together, we put them together, and we take our negative battery to I'll take our negative battery to our battery. So we want to test it now.
Wow. Nice.
I hope you can see it. So you can see it. If you check the reading now, this is giving you 220 volts. You can see it. Okay. Please share my video. So next video I will show you how to build this oscillator and this amplification. Thanks for watching.